It's a rough time this morning, but we're gonna be okay. Ugly crying, man. You know, a way to get you to stop crying real fast is put a camera in your face. This is just some real life emotions.
Yeah. It's currently 3 in the morning.
3:42 to be exact. We both woke up and both started crying. Just checking in, and we gotta leave in like 5 hour-ish, like 5 to 4 hours. I mean 5 to 6 hours.
We were U-Haul lesbians.
We were. Which was the problem. That right there was the issue.
Yeah. So for all you, I just met the love of my life. Please
stay at home.
Calm down. Commute.
But it's gonna be worth it. We are stronger than we know. Bye.
Today's the day. The tank is clean. And we are getting out of the tank is clean. Ain't the tank clean, Bella? Today's the day, babe. Moving day. All right.
It's already starting. I can't help it. I'm just in a minute.
You can't be sad. You want me to grab this stuff?
I want you to tell me how you're feeling. This is a check-in.
All right. Well, right now, I feel great.
Great.
I feel great.
Great. How great?
Way better than 3 a.m.
Show me. I was like, what is that? Hips. Okay, hips.
Yeah.
Alrighty. You feel good? You're excited? What are you most excited about?
I'm excited about moving and getting settled in. Okay. Going to get my stuff together. You know, just finna vibe out. I'm finna lock in. I'm finna go hard. Go hard in the paint. I'm about to do everything I need to do.
I don't know why you're yelling with that microphone that close to you. Well, good. I'm glad. You look exhausted.
It's because I've been crying.
You've been crying?
Yeah. Because I'm an adult.
With
adults cry.
Emotions.
Yeah. Adults cry. Children throw tantrums. This would have been bad. Y'all would not have seen me. Forgot my medication. Oh. 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 I'll be on my medication. I took my SSRs today. But when I take them, I'ma be sweating off everything. Oh. Oh. Can I help you? What? Are you trying to figure out what's going on? I'm moving. Okay? No one sat you down and talked to you about this. I'm moving away. I will visit periodically, okay? Because I will miss you. But you will be on my lease. So you can come visit me also. Okay? Is that a good girl? Can I get a high five? Bella. Bella. Get over here and give me a high five. Stop embarrassing me. Give me a high five. Thank you. Embarrassing me in front of these folks. It's small in here. No, you're big in here. Did nobody ask you? Let's go.
Heading to take the dogs over to my mom's and then taking Babe to Jonesboro.
That's my baby's car. And we have that packed up, this packed up, and the babies are in there with her because I don't have any room in here, obviously. But I'm not illegal because I can still see in my rear view. Beat that, Arkansas State Police.
It'll get easier the more. Sit back, Mills. It'll get easier the more that I say it, the more that there's no reason that van should have sounded like that. I think it'll get better. I think it'll get better, you know, the longer that this is our reality. I don't know if I'm scared or if I don't know, it's just sad. I'm vulnerable as shit. I can tell you that. Excuse me, let me edit for vulnerable as crap. And that's okay.
All right. All right. It's not.
See you later.
Okay. Where you want this?
I got a microphone. You set it down.
Yeah. Oh.
Hello.
Y'all. So this is my mother-in-law's back porch area. Look at these right here. Look at all this stuff right here. You can tell, huh? Yeah, I know. I know. I know. I know you can tell. This is what she looked like.
I'm gonna, yeah, I got mosquito bite. Bit. What bite? Right there.
I'm making fun of you.
The big old, yeah, and I scratched it.
I'm making fun of you and your outdoor. I
haven't
said,
cleaned
look
it
at
up.
this. I said, you can tell,
Oh my
huh?
God. Mama. No, the lawnmower people, our lawn people came last week, and this is what's left over from them. Y'all drink, will you drink these? They're protein breakfast shakes, but they're chocolate. I didn't order these. This was not on my order.
It say Melissa.
Yeah, I know, but I don't know who stuck that on. You know, they just pull them off the bags and stick them on stuff.
You know what? Why
Like,
not?
was this actually not on your
None
Walmart
of this
order?
was on my Walmart order.
I don't like them.
Me either. I was going to give them to Angie.
Okay,
Yeah, I'll take
we'll
those.
take these.
Do you want these?
Yes. He hasn't eaten. Ace hasn't. Just
See,
'cause
this
he
is what's
wouldn't eat.
supposed to happen. This is what's supposed to happen when you come to your parents' house. They're supposed to give you things freely. Why? Because you brought her into this world.
Right. Okay.
And
And then when I come to y'all's house, I want to say.
Huh? No, that's not how it works.
And there's some blueberries in there too. I got a whole bunch of blueberries, fresh blueberries. You want them?
Oh, no. You got lettuce?
I can get
No.
some of the blueberries when I come back.
Yeah.
Give me hugs.
So they didn't say you had to take it back.
Okay.
No.
You want
They
hugs.
gave me a refund
You
on
want a
my
hug.
19 items I needed.
You want
And that person
Oh.
was on that 'cause they got like sardines for the dog. They got cakesters for the dogs. I was trying to buy the dogs that ice cream cakester treats.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Help me.
they got that in place of their ice
You're
cream.
supposed to be loving on your dog.
I'm trying.
Lily is
Latonya.
Sham. She loves Sham.
Latonya, sit down.
I gotta take my package.
That's a good girl.
Yes,
That's a good girl. Stay right there. Give me a second. Stay. Sit.
my package.
Hold on. Hold on. Sit. Hold on.
Oh.
That's a good girl.
And then I gotta take this
That's a
back
good
home.
girl.
Okay, I'm done.
Bubba, give me love. Give me love, Bubba. Come here. Love ya.
The water. I mean the water filter.
Bye, baby.
And it came with the air filter.
Belanice.
You want a water
Give me a
bag,
hug.
maybe?
Come on, give me love.
So I opened my
Thank
thing
you.
and
Thank
the
you.
filter,
Hold on.
there
Thank
was
you.
no air filter.
All right.
whatsoever.
Tired.
Okay. You're gonna leave,
Go ahead,
like,
car.
drive off and leave me?
I'm not gonna try to, but if you slow in the dust, then
I'm
I'm
not going more than 5 over the speed limit.
okay. And I'm not going more than 8.
So why not just do 5 considering we don't know where we're going?
Leave me alone. She want to be a safe driver so bad. Oh my God.
Hey there, good looking.
Okay. Love you, Dr. Flakes. She didn't say it back.
So the drive here honestly wasn't bad. It was 2 hours, so I mean it's a 2 hour drive regardless. But like smooth sailing. I'm a little bit more mentally stable right now. I have to pee really bad, but like it feels nice here. Take me.
We
home.
don't like it up
I
here.
can see myself visiting here. At least if I'm visiting, it doesn't feel like I'm missing something. Walmart. I ain't seen no Kroger, but like you got Walmart.
This feel like a horrible social experiment.
Right? You know what that means? Am I moving? She's talking. Oh, Lord, here she go talking to everybody. She can't meet a stranger. I'm super, super excited for Babe. I'm super excited for her. This is going to be a very, very good journey. I think once we get used to the new sense of normalcy. I know I'm going to have a meltdown when I get back home, but I'm prepared. We're about to move in. We're going to go in and clean first, and then we're going to clean first, and then we're going to get situated. I think we're gonna try to go to Walmart today too and knock all that stuff out. Low-key feels like I'm sending my kid off to college. But let me get this. I'm excited. Honestly, I feel kind of silly to be crying about her moving 2 hours away, but she's so sweet. She's so innocent. Like, the girl literally has never met a stranger. I feel like never. Like, nobody's a stranger to her. But yeah, here she comes. So we're about to go see the place. I think she already seen it. So bye.
I'm about to take you to MTV Cribs, but this is SDF Cribs. They gave me a brown couch because I asked for one. This is a little dining area right here. Don't worry, we're gonna clean off everything, of course. My TV, boom. Then this, my desk gonna be right here because yeah. This is my Wi-Fi password. It's in here. Okay, my kitchen, you got a dishwasher, period. Look like they ran the cycle. Okay, cabinet space. Got a garbage disposal. It worked. Okay. This is a lot of cabinet space. It is. Like, got drawers and stuff. The drawers is clean, but I'm going to clean them anyway. The oven. Nice little oven or whatever. Okay. Wait a minute. Whirlpool. That's nice. I'm going to clean that out. Ice machine. Oh. Tell us the door. Okay. Let's go. Turn away. Lord, what the hell did I do? Okay, got it. All right. Oh, I guess they gave you a little. I'm gonna get him out the car. All right, you got your mattress. It's low to the floor, girl. In my bed, yep. Which I'm trying to. I guess I'm gonna keep my bed right here, and I'm gonna put the TV stuff there. Yeah. Or I might turn it around there. We might see. Or you could leave it there and connect it to that wall. That is true. All right. All right. All right. Okay. Nice space. Nice space. Nice space. Okay. Let's go to the bathroom. I feel good. This is adjusting the speed. They did their thing with here. And you know the perfect thing? No bugs. I don't see not one bug. I better not see a bug. I don't know. Okay. The perfect washer and dryer for one person. They had dogs, but it's okay. I'm gonna clean that out anyway. I'm glad I waited. That was not gonna fit.
But you have a counter. Like, it's
Okay.
on top of the toilet.
Oh,
Yeah.
that was not there. Somebody built that.
Also, you got a little bit bigger upstairs.
Yeah.
Which is crazy.
Okay. This was gonna be changed. But
The tub is not so spacious.
yeah.
Big in here.
Okay.
And the door.
And it's got the tall ceilings.
Yeah, it's really tall.
That's nice. Boom. Period. Okay. Y'all think these gonna hold me up? Yeah, then I'm all right. I'm losing weight. I lost 20 pounds. Okay. All right. Fire extinguisher, that's important. It's honestly way bigger than I thought. It's like huge.
You definitely got enough time to get in your period.
Girl, I'll turn this off right now. By the wall thermostat. Okay, cool. Look at the view.
I don't like it because literally people can see you and you know what I mean?
It's wide open. But the beauty of it, like he said, at least the cars come up, they don't shine right into your house. Bam. Let's get to cleaning. Get my gloves and stuff. Mm-hmm. And yes, I do have cavity wipes. You know why? Disinfects in 2 minutes. Bactericide, tuberculosis, whatever. Berocococci, I'll learn those later. But this is why we get the cleaning. We're just gonna get the cleaning and get the cleaning. That's it. Because my dogs will go crazy. Mm-hmm. And that's all we finna do. You can tell I took my SSRIs today. All right, y'all. So
I broke a little bit of a sweat, but not that.
this is what we got.
Hold on. Can't forget this.
And geez Louise. Honestly, it's not that bad. It's really just we're gonna have to put everything up.
Once everything has a place, we'll be straight.
Yeah.
We'll be straight.
And I'll be officially moved in.